Alrighty, folks, so thank you for tuning in for the last installment of our Perris series. I'm at the third model, right, in the third plan. There's actually 6 models here in total. We're only gonna go through 3 of them. I think you get the idea. All these homes are absolutely beautiful, right? Gorgeous, if I may say so. And so we're here at this last model. And this model, as you can see, it's a rarity nowadays. It is a single level, base priced at $583, right? 2,200 square feet, roughly 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, has a 2.5 car garage. Let's make our way in, folks. Alrighty then. Let's make our way into yet another beautiful model. Brought to us by this premier SoCal builder. Give me a call, I'd love to take you on a tour. Okay, we're gonna take it to the right, where we have, I suppose this could be one of your optional bedrooms, but here they have it staged as a den. Very spacious at that. And as we make our way out of the den, we're gonna stay to the right, and we have our first bedroom. And this bedroom has its own walk-in closet. And as we exit, there's some storage here to our right. And to the left of it is yet another bedroom, folks. And here's yet another view of the bedroom and its walk-in closet. All right, we'll make our way out. And to the right here we have a full bath, dual sinks, tub shower combo. And we'll make our way out of here. Yet another view of that then office space optional bedroom. How's it going, folks? And right across the way here, we have a laundry room, which is very ample, I must say. Lots of space. And that would be your garage door there. You can actually see a garage. Huge laundry room. Right then. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You're watching DC the Realtor, my brokerage is Century 21 King. We're located in Ranch Cucamonga and Day Creek Boulevard. Here we are, folks, our open concept. Very open, very ample as well. And while we're at it, I have an opportunity here to get a money shot of the gourmet kitchens. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, look at that. The wall ovens, state-of-the-art appliances, stove. That's a 5-burner stove. The island is massive. I believe that's a quartz countertop. We also have our dining area. Money shot. Look at that. And adjacent to our dining area is the patio doors, sliding doors. All right, look at that. They got a grill back there. They got a table. All right, ample as well. Here's another view of our living room. Look at that. Let's back it up a taste. All right, we have our living room. All right. Very spacious, very modern. Just a very well-conceived, well-thought-out, and beautiful home. All right. So, folks, so straight ahead here, and then to the left, we're gonna have yet another bedroom, folks. Very spacious in this bedroom. Wow. Gotta be at least 8 to 10 feet, 6 to 8 feet between this bed and this dresser here. Okay, here's another view of the bedroom. And yet another view. And of course, right straight ahead over here, it's a full bath. Alrighty then. And we have some storage here. Spa shower. And then to the right, we have our rest area. And we have a very ample walk-in closet, folks. Look at that. I'm spinning around with plenty of room. All right then, another view of our bathroom. Another view of the bedroom. And as we make our way out, one more stunning view of our open concept, folks. And once again, thank you for watching. You've been watching DC the Realtor. I'm on Instagram at dc.the.realtor, TikTok, DCW the Realtor. Of course, I'm here on YouTube. You found me under DC the Realtor. Please, folks, give me a call. I would love to bring you on a tour of this or any other properties that you see debuting on my channel. It is my pleasure. That's what I'm here for. Okay then? Don't forget once again to like, comment, and subscribe. One last view of the residence as we depart as always. Alrighty folks, there she is. That's that last view of this residence. And again, this residence is 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 bathrooms. Yeah, 2 to 3 baths, I'm sorry, 2 to 3.5 baths, and it's roughly 2,200 square feet. And it is as you can see, it is a flat, single story. Very rare these days. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. DC the Realtor signing off.